Namaskar students. Today we will start a new chapter, typing with WordPad. In this chapter we will learn about WordPad. It means what is WordPad, what is the use of WordPad, how can we open the WordPad and WordPad window, and the things which we can do in the WordPad software. So let's start. What is WordPad? Can you see this icon here? This is the WordPad icon. If you see this icon anywhere, it means this is the WordPad software. This icon shows us that here it is the WordPad software. So now I am coming to that what is WordPad? What is WordPad? WordPad is a word processing software. Word processing means we can write anything. It may be any poem, it may be any letter, or it may be any document. So we can do the typing work in the WordPad. With the help of WordPad, we can type anything with the help of keyboard. So if your teacher is asking to you to type the poem, that time you can use the WordPad software. If your teacher is asking you to type any paragraph, that time also you can use the WordPad software. So you can type letters, words, sentences, numbers and special characters with the help of keyboard in the WordPad. So WordPad is that software which helps you to type anything. It means you can use keyboard, but that software which helps you for the typing, that time it is WordPad. Now the question is this, that how can we open the WordPad software? So are you aware of this, that where you will get the start button? I am just showing one picture to you. Here you can see this is the first one. Here you can see the first one picture is showing the start button. So to open WordPad software, at first you have to click on start button. When you will click on start button, that time you will get all programs. When you will click on all programs, that time you will get accessories. In the accessories you will get the WordPad. So I am telling the steps again. At first we have to click on start button, then we have to click on all programs, then we will click on accessories, and then in accessories you will get the WordPad software. So when you will click on WordPad software, that time WordPad icon, that time you will get the WordPad window. How it will look like? It will look like this. I am just telling you the WordPad window. You can see this is the WordPad window. You can see this is the WordPad window. Here we can do the typing work. You can see I am just writing anything here. ICT I am writing here. ICT. Okay, and I am just writing the name. If you want to write any name, if you want to write information, that time you can type anything with the help of this software. So here we will do the study of this window. So at first I am just starting with the top one bar. At the left side you can see, at the left corner you can see the WordPad icon. Here this icon shows that this is the WordPad software. Near this you can see this save button, then this is undo, and this is redo. This bar where you are getting the save, undo and redo, this bar is called as quick access toolbar. What is the name of this toolbar? Quick Access Toolbar. Why we are calling it Quick Access Toolbar? Because by clicking on save, we can directly save our work. By clicking on undo, we can do, if we have done anything wrong, that time we can cancel that with the help of undo. Now redo. What is redo? If we have done anything with the help of undo, and if we want to cancel that time we can use redo. Now near this button, near this quick access toolbar, you are having the title bar. What is title bar? Title bar is that bar which shows the name of the window, name of the document. Here you can see document is coming. So what is this? This is the name of the document, and here near this you can see the software name. Here document is showing the file name and WordPad is showing the software name. Now I am coming down. Here you can see file, home, view. What is this? This is the menu bar. This bar is called menu bar. And here when we will click on it, when I will click on file, that time you will get so many options: new, open, save, save as, print, page setup, send an email, about WordPad, and exit. So many options we are having in the file menu. And when you will click on home tab, in the home tab you will get so many options. You can see here so many buttons are here and so many options are here which we can use in WordPad. When I will click on view, these are basically tabs: home tab and view tab. When we will click on it, that time we will get so many buttons here which we can use in our WordPad. Now below this you can see here in this home tab you are having different groups: clipboard, font, paragraph, insert, editing. So the whole line or whole group is called the ribbon, and in the ribbon we are having number of groups. It means we are having the tab, home tab, view tab. In the home tab, below the home tab we are having the ribbon. In that ribbon we are having the groups. So you can see this is the group. Below the home tab we are having the ribbon, and in the group, in the ribbon we are having different groups. You can see here clipboard group, font group, paragraph group, insert group, and editing group. And in each group you are having different options. Now below this ribbon you are having this bar. What is this? This is ruler bar. This bar shows the size of the page. You can see this is looking like a scale. So this shows the size of the page. Now you can see this area. This area is basically used for typing work. This area is called document area, and here we can do the typing work. So in this, what you have to do, you have to type a poem. So for this you have to start typing. On the keyboard you will get the caps lock key. So at first on the caps lock key and then start typing the poem like this. I am just typing one poem for you. Early to rise, early to bed, and early to rise, makes a man healthy, wealthy, and wise. So like this you can type any type of poem in WordPad. So I will send an activity for you. So in that activity, what you have to do, whatever poem I will send to you, you have to type that poem in Wattpad. Okay. In the next class, we will do the study of other options of Wattpad.